guys, welcome back to Creativity and Inspiration. I'm Lisa. I hope you're all having an amazing night. So let's talk, what do you pack for junk journaling when you're going on a work trip / mini vacation? What do you take? Well, because we're in the middle of the Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge, I'm taking all my Dollar Tree stuff I bought for that journal. But you know what? If you didn't see this haul, I'll put it up here. I'm going to go to a Dollar Tree in Dallas because I still don't have enough stuff. And the last one, which I put up there, you'll see, they had stuff. They had good stuff, but they didn't have everything. So I'm going to go to one more Dollar Tree, and we are going to go in Dallas. Super pumped about it, but I am taking everything I bought, so all my Dollar Tree supplies. I am also taking my glue and 2 different sized double-sided tapes. So that's everything I need for my Dollar Tree junk journal, plus my wax thread, and my big needle. Has to be my big needle so I can see to thread it when I need it. So those 2 items, and I think that's it as far as the Dollar Tree junk journal goes. Everything else is in here. I'm going to make sure I put that really bad sketchbook in here. I did not, so let me find it. Hold on. And this sketchbook, which I also bought to go with this, yeah, we're going to put this in here as well, because I bought it to go with it, so it needs to go in there. I don't know if I'm going to use it. We will just see what we come up with. Now, that's what I'm taking for the Dollar Tree junk journal. Let me push it down a little bit so you guys can see. This is everything I'm taking. Like I said, it's all the Dollar Tree stuff. It's glue, double-sided tape, and the stuff to sew the journal together. Now, what else am I going to take? I'm going to take a couple of sheets of one-sided scrapbook paper, because I've been giving you guys ideas in shorts what to do with those, and who knows, we may do that while we are on vacation. And I think because it is summer and I have this whole pad of paper, I'm just going to pick 2 sheets out of here and we are going to use them. And I'll pick 2 sheets off camera, but I'm only taking 2 sheets. I'm not going to take this whole pad. Okay, so we're going to take that. And then the last thing I'm going to take is this. And you might be going, what's in there? This is a little art journal kit I bought off of Etsy a few months ago. It's super cute, and I'll show you what's in it. And I'll link the Etsy shop down below. This was really cute, guys, and I think it's perfect for travel. So you get, it's meant to be like a little starter art journal, or maybe if you get stuck. And inside here are a lot of really cool things, which I guess I'll put the camera up here and show you. So hang on. So this little art journal, if you're stuck, kit comes in this little plastic bag here. I think it's so cute. And great reuse of stuff. And it comes with, put that there. It comes with a little journal to do your art journaling in. It comes with some introduction to art journaling, some prompts for you. So that's great if you've never done it. Or if you're having, like I said, if you're stuck, it comes with some Crayola colored pencils, which are great colored pencils. And then it comes with an Elmer's glue stick, okay? And then it comes with all this fun stuff you can art journal with. It comes with a piece of tissue paper, comes with a card, a napkin, just some fun items you could cut out, more paper, just a lot of different types of scrapbook papers, just bits and bobs that are basically perfect for art journaling. Another napkin, how cute is that? Paper. Look at this card, so pretty. Butterflies, dogs, this. Oh my gosh, I am in a scavenger trashy flowish junk journal, and it had peacock feathers. We're going to save that for that. That's so cool. And it has, you know, just a lot of pieces to put together some art journaling. And I mean, look, there's a whole stack here, so we'll keep going. Some words for you, numbers, music paper, a sewn little cute dragonfly, more paper. It's got music paper. It's got sewing, carefree pattern stuff, which I'm going to save this for our sewing journal that we're going to do after we get back. It's got some photos, a sewing envelope, which again, I'm saving for the sewing journal. Paint chip cards, some paper, more paint chip cards. This is like a pad of paper. Look at that. That's really cool. Sewing pattern, painted papers. Just a bunch of great stuff to do art journaling in. And as you saw, I pulled out some for other projects, which is a plus for me. Wow. So I'm going to take this as well. So we're taking 2 large sheets of scrapbook paper. We're going to take all of our Dollar Tree junk journal stuff. And of course, we're going to take a personal daily journal. Oh, I forgot the most important part, the journal and the ideas paper. So those are all great things to have in here. Very neat. This kit, I will link the Etsy shop down below, and I am taking that on my vacation with me. So stay tuned for more Dollar Tree content, another Dollar Tree haul, and then we'll be putting that Dollar Tree journal together. I will see you later in the week. But watch the shorts, and you'll have ideas for single-sided 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.